Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about teriyaki sauce. Now, there are different types of teriyaki sauce. Now, some people have found out that they can't tolerate teriyaki sauce because of the amount of sodium in it or some of the other ingredients, such as monosodium glutamate, and there are certain things in some of them they can't tolerate. However, several of the people I follow here and I've had up on my panel before have found alternative to the name brand teriyaki sauces that don't have these ingredients in it that are just as good, and they're able to eat them without having adverse effects. So look into it. If you're not affected by it, you stock up on your on whatever teriyaki sauce you like. If you are affected by it, check out and do some research to find the ones that you can have that won't affect you. But in any case, stock up on it. It's a great seasoning to use for a lot of dishes. Flavor them up, change what they taste like, and give you a variety of meals from the same food that you'd normally be having. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: food, water, medicines, sauces, skills. Why? Well, this is why.